Alright, live trading again today. Let's see. So today I have a bullish bias. Had these equal lows marked out. Sell side below here, which are these equal lows. We've now taken those, and yeah, I am bullish for today. So what we did is we went lower, tapped into a singular weekly FEG on ES, and tapped into a singular FEG on a 3-day on NQ. Still with the bullish, like we're still trending higher. Oh shit, what's this? That wasn't turned on. Right, nothing changed. Okay. So yeah, bullish narrative, bullish bias like on bigger time frame. I'm not gonna do it all over again. But yeah, we're just really bullish, and just jumping in or going to the lower time frame. Still not a low time frame, but 3-day chart. Singular busy here, and a weekly chart, singular busy here. We're in it. Buy side will be up here. Then all-time highs is also a target, and for NQ would be buy side up here, which is a form of low-hanging fruit, and all-time highs for NQ as well. For today, I'm actually expecting the buy side up here for ES and NQ also, and then a buy side up there. And we did have medium impact follower news or high impact follower news today at 9:45, which was PMI, and that was it. So only this day trading for me, and then next day is going to be tomorrow. It's going to be Friday, and we have medium impact follower news there, so I won't be trading that day. But yeah, let's see what we get here. So nothing here yet. Let's go to NQ. Again, a really small SIBI here on NQ. That's again strange. It's just one tick, but I am backtesting the, what is it? The NQ, but MNQ doesn't have a SIBI and NQ does. Even though it's a really tiny gap there, it still is, and it would be an entry if we close above, but hopefully we don't. Let's see what we have. And if we do close above, like we didn't do it on MNQ, which I am trading. I am backtesting NQ, but maybe on a paper account or something. But yeah, I would be bullish for today. And 9:45 the news released, and 9:55. So I have a 10-minute window now where I can look for a trade if my setup does form. But after that, I have to wait 5 minutes until 10 a.m. candle opens, or which is the 4-hour candle, until that opens, and then I can look for my setup again. So now we traded lower, disrespected this singular 30-minute busy, and now take the low of that significant range there, and then ES already took it, of course. Let's see what we have inside of this leg here. So an NQ as well, we have a singular FEG here, and also that singular 3-day busy there. So we can mark this out. Oh. And then on ES we don't have any singular for value gaps here. So on ES it's just also that singular weekly busy, and then we also have a really big wick here, which the biggest one is on the 12-day, I think, or 12-day, 12 hour. And then this is that low of, or the high of that wick, but we already tapped the singular FEG here, and this could be the due to swing lower. We'll see. Tick rate perfectly equalized here, and it does look like this is low resistance here. So yeah, bullish bias. We'll see what the market wants to do. But yeah, nothing yet. Yeah, I will be trading on TopstepX again today. See here. Should be a good trading day, in my opinion. Just go to NQ. Now we still have that really small civvy here, which is actually one tick. Yeah, let's see. Did sweep equal lows on here. Tapping into singular 4 hour. So yeah, nothing yet. Would probably be waiting until 10 AM opening. $9.53. Look at NQ here, really small gap here that we have, that we didn't create on MNQ. See what we do with that. Looking for something I wrote down, which I don't know where it is. So we did close above it now, here, 9.55. 9.44 close. So now I have to wait until 10 a.m. do an SMT at these highs. Maybe we could manipulate one more time lower into that singular busy. On the S, it's just this volume imbalance. Wow, on NQ as well. I didn't even see that. So that's the stage of accumulation in the market maker pie model. And then ESSD is perfectly equalized as well, but this is a stage of accumulation there. Let's see. Looks like okay price action now. Like not crazy chop. Still moving. Yeah, still have some volume in these candles. So I think this will be a fine day. And then we also had the we also had high impact folder news today. So that's also like an injection of liquidity or injection of volatility, sorry. Yeah, nothing yet here. So last minute. Yeah, looks pretty good for longs, or not yet, but the bullish buys with the buy side liquidity, the bullish Tron liquidities, they look pretty good with where we're in now. So the singular busy here, and then also reacting off that weekly what is it, weekly busy, and then a singular 3-day busy on NQ. Yeah, 10 more seconds. And the 4-hour candle opens. 2, 1. Okay, so there's the 4-hour candle opening. See what it does. Hopefully can manipulate lower, maybe into this sell side again. And from there maybe actually go, but we'll see. Still prefer manipulation lower before we go actually higher. Like this move higher into the buy setup here could literally be done in 3 candles, 4 candles. Yeah, it doesn't look good yet. Alright, so already having a move higher. But yeah, not interested in longs yet. Like, does look good for like the drawn liquidity being there, or being right with the drawn liquidity. But if there's no entry, then there's nothing, of course. Hello, I'm from I don't know how to say it in English. Czechia. Asking random YouTubers, traders, how can I find a strategy that suits a student? I think you go first from, okay, do I want to be trading? Do I want to be scalping? Do I want to be intraday trading? Do I want to be day trading? Do I want to be swing trading? I think you first go from there. And then let's say you're a scalper, then there are a lot of strategies which are good for being a scalper, but it just has to make sense for you. Like, it really is personal. Like, if you ask someone for advice, like what strategy should I trade, it really is personal. And if you ask the person, that person should know what kind of personality you have, and already, like, he thinks what makes sense to you. Like, for me, ICT makes sense because he has a whole narrative around it of there's an actual algorithm controlling price, and it's this with this position. And even though if it's not right, like, it makes sense to me, like the whole narrative. And there are a lot of other strategies that have another narrative with the entire strategy, like behind it, not just the concepts, but a narrative behind it. And it's really personal, I would say. So there's not a best, only you know the answer. And how you can find it is literally, yeah, where can you find it? If there was like a library of all strategies in there, but yeah, YouTube probably. But it's really it's pretty hard question, Renew. But yeah, nice question. Thank you. Yo, Miss Nobody. I'm doing great, man. How are you? You planning on trading today? Yeah, for me, that question goes for like, how did I find my strategy? How did I find ICT concepts? And it's just through YouTube. I would say I'm pretty lucky there to have found that on YouTube. So yeah, doing nothing yet here. Oh, Philippines, oops. Sorry. That looked like then I didn't see the star because the look, I thought it was this country because of the it's the same flag, but I didn't see the star, which I do see now. The Czech, I don't know how to say it in English. Oh, Czech. Yeah, this country. Nice, man. I appreciate the reply. Follow-up question: does a beginner really need a mentor? Yeah, that's also like personal, but the best is, yeah, a mentor, I would say. Like, I was pretty stubborn with it. Like, I really don't want to pay for anything. I want to learn it all by myself. And in the end, it really doesn't matter. Like, I should have started with a mentor. It would really shorten your learning curve. Um, and yeah, I would say a mentor is actually like the best thing to have. So yeah, I would say yes. But yeah, you can do it without, but then you need to be prepared, or like not be prepared, but it will definitely take longer because a mentor will, yeah, literally will help you. But yeah, also with the mentor, like the mentor has to be trading a strategy that makes sense to you. Like you can have a mentor that has a strategy which totally doesn't make sense to you, and then also it wouldn't work. So like those are pretty, yeah, it's pretty hard actually. Nice, yeah. I'm looking for a long here. I'm not sure how that will hold. I'm also looking for a long, not inside of this range. This looks pretty choppy. I do need to see format manipulation, and then yeah, just a lot more structure because this still looks like without a volume. We do have a Sibi here. I'm also looking for long, so it's cool that we're on the right side there. Yeah, does a beginner really need a mentor? Yeah, would be better. Yeah, it would be better of getting a mentor. Yeah. Thank you. Of course. I love answering those questions. Like I just talking about trading in general. Really like talking about it. Again, this looks so choppy, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, we did sweep equal lows on ES. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything yet though. Do a really small Sibi here, which you won't take. Yeah, still nothing here. see what we do with this here. A closure buff would be my entry, but I hope that it doesn't do it because I don't even like it yet. I'm seeing the potential of having freedom doing trading. Been interested for like weeks now. Nice, man. Yeah, it's but you have to be prepared. Not to scare you away, but trading can be a long time. You don't have to. You can't set what is it, deadlines in trading. But yeah, it's really yeah, you have to become obsessed with it. I'm gonna go long here, by the way.
Order filled.
Yeah, there. I'm long on here. Stop is here. This is gonna be my break even, or break even here on ES. First CP will be at least day 1 and 2. Stop is here. This is my break even, which is pretty tight. At least 1 and 2 first CP, which will be the buy setup there, and then a 1 and 2 there. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish here. Looking at this as a market maker buy model. That would be here. So this would be, it's a side of a 1 or 3, but that would be a stage of accumulation as well in this market maker buy model. Let's see what we do. Noted. Nice, man. Yeah, really, if you're like, where are you starting now? Like, did you begin somewhere already, or? Don't like this instant move lower, of course. Still have equal lows on ES now. Didn't like that ES is not moving in tandem with NQ. Now tapping that SIBI, get a reaction out of it as well. Yeah, ES is more bearish. Which always in these cases, like, ES is closer to that low than NQ, and most of the time, like lately, I'm backtesting 2021 and that's not the case there, but when ES is close to this low, and it looks like it wants to take out this low, then, and if it does, then it will move towards that low pretty slow. And then you know that in the time that ES goes to this low, then NQ has moved a lot more, because that's what NQ just does. It moves a lot more. So yeah, that means in a shorter or in the same period of time, NQ can move way more than ES. And yeah, let's see. Let's see here. Hopefully we hold here and then have an SMT, but it doesn't look good here yet. Do have a big wick on NQ and see if this candle can follow up. Do have a big wick on ES as well. Let's see now. Yeah, big wicks here, but don't really do anything. Like if that was an SMT or a turtle soup, then that should be taking that low SMT and then bang, just instantly go from there. We do have a singular 2-minute busy here. We can drop lower into that again, maybe go higher from there. Yeah, really not adjusting anything here until either stop or the target where I go break even is going to be hit. Let's see here now. Yeah, we do have the SMT holding beneath that low. And then we did have taken these equal lows here on the S, so I have an SMT at those equal lows. So here and then all the way there. Went long on first FEG on NQ, but I want to see ES not taking. Oh, so you're in long with me. Doesn't look good here yet, but first FEG. Where is it? That would be this one, right? Or no? It's a 930. No, this isn't. So it's gonna be this. Also, not this one. What? I think it's on the NQ. It is this one, and then MNQ is this one. Let's see here. Not any respect of that 2-minute busy. Trading below the candle opening of the 4-hour candle though. Interesting, I'm long too. Nice, man. Doesn't look good for us. Miss Nobody, you, Julian, and me are on this long, but doesn't look good for us. I did trade below the candle opening of that 4-hour candle. See if you can get a reaction out of this. That'll be time-based liquidity there. Took the 931 one as the first FEG. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a stop here. No respect for that busy there. Let's see. 20 more seconds. Let's see. Indeed. Yeah, pretty interesting how we're all along here. Okay, get a wick here. That's a crazy respect. If we do 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's crazy. I closed that break even, but I'll look for another. Nice, man. Look how we respected this singular busy, like on the 1 minute. We have a imbalance here and then an imbalance here, and then this 2 minutes still respects it. Yeah, it could also open here and then this just trades lower anyway, but we'll see. Yeah, it is nice. Yeah, it's still already choppy. Like we never left this range here, or we did leave it, but we're still in low volume, basically. I like how it didn't immediately reverse from the 5 minutes. What do you mean? It hit this 5-minute FEG a lot of times. Yeah, it did actually, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely gonna close below there. Yeah, really, yeah, boring trade as well. And then all these wicks on ES here also. 2, 1. Okay, so we also close below this busy here, so yeah, it doesn't look good. I ask myself always. Back below the candle opening. This looks terrible. Yes, still has this trend line here. If price would be bearish, would price react like this in the 5-minute FEG? Yeah, it's also yeah, if it is bearish, then yeah, I really don't know. I've seen it all, like both ways. I've seen this, respect this, and then go there. But I also have seen respect this and then go there. Like I've seen both times. I think no, that's true. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, it also like, if is this bearish, then no. But it could also be indicating that we're gonna consolidate, which in this case it kind of is consolidating. Or just going sideways. But yeah, this probably will be a stop. If we can close above this busy again, then there would be hope. But yeah, this just yeah. Again, below the candle opening, big wick, but it really doesn't mean anything. We use that busy as resistance as well. And then doji candle. Let's see here. We also have all these down close candles. If we, like, first sign for me that there is going to be more hope is we close above this busy, and then me being confident is going to be closure above all of these candles on the 2-minute time frame. And then on ES, we did take this low. Still have an SMT holding, which is going to be here. And also taking out these equal lows. So these perfectly equal lows, and then this low makes this equal lows. And all those step beneath it. So boom, 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 back up, closing above this. We'll see. Yo, Waris, how was your school trip? So this already looks better here. So that if we're gonna close above on this singular one candle, it doesn't mean anything, but yeah, what I said, closing above this busy would give me more confidence, but closing above this would give me definitely more confidence into going into this high, and then I'll go break even. But yeah, we'll see. But yeah, this candle doesn't mean anything yet. Yo, bro, got a haircut, fresh, nice, man. What kind of cut did you get? Here it's called what I get. It's like a really popular one now. It's like a taper fade, but I don't get that one. I get like a, I think it's just called a fade. So yeah, look at this. Look at this candle. Look at this wick. Big bullish candle. Then again going all the way lower from there. But yeah, still no closure above. We could still go higher, but really doesn't mean anything yet. And also tapped into the low of that 1 minute. That's gonna be a stop there.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's a stop there. So copy this, put it into Notion. Is she not here? Live trading. Yeah, expected better conditions today with high impact folder news, but yeah, just nothing. Whatever, one trade has no meaning. Yeah, exactly, man. Like my bullish bias is still there. If the setup still forms, my drawn liquidity is still there. Like it's all still there. We have failure swing highs as well as liquidity. We'll see. When you journal the trade, remember how you felt during the trade. I'm sure it will help you. Thank you, man. Yeah. But honestly, I don't feel anything anymore. It maybe sounds really like what the hell are you saying, Nick? But really, really don't feel anything. Like probably if it would be real money, but now on challenges really doesn't. Yeah, nothing. Like all I do now is just follow my trading plan. Like it's almost like a mechanical model, and literally do what the mechanical model says, and that's what I do. And if it's lost, then it's a loss. If it's a win, it's a win. I know eventually I will be, because of the data, I know that it is a profitable strategy. So it does make sense to just follow the strategy, and you know you will be profitable. Like, right? That's like how I'm thinking about it. Like, yeah. Maybe it can sound arrogant as well. I really don't mean it that way, but yeah. That makes the most sense to me. Yeah. Again, like same as yesterday. 9:30, where was it? So 9:30 opening, really choppy opening. And then when did we start to move? Not even at 10. Yeah, 10 kind of like a move. It's still in that range. And then that 10:50, 10:45, 10:50. Then we actually had to move. So maybe in that macro period, that would again be waiting now. 10:25, yeah. Yeah, I would still be bullish. Let's see if we get anything. I need to learn emotions, so I'll be watching your love trades, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. If you're really emotional, like, I think it's emotional because how do I say it? Like if you actually have a training plan and if you have seen it thousands of times, like it doesn't necessarily needs to be a mechanical model, but just having confidence in your trades, and if it fails, it fails. Like just recognizing only your model, and then I think if there are emotions involved, it's really like you haven't seen it, you haven't seen that thing that you entered on, you haven't seen it that much yet. I went more long. Really? I would be long again if we inverse this on a 2-minute this year. Where did you enter off of for a long? For me, it would be here if we inverse this. That would be break even. Or no, 1-1 would be break even, but still. 5, 6 will be 5 contracts long if you close above. And then break even will be here on ES or a 1-1 on Q. That depends on where we close above. But it will be 5 contracts. At the lows, 1 minute. Like a turtle soup. If this works out, then it's pretty unfortunate that we had to do all that manipulation. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Does still look pretty good now. We get a sweep of all those equal lows and then have an instant reaction. If we close above this, then that would be the instant reaction, but equal lows. Alright, let's see here. And literally this trade, it's gonna be a win, it's gonna be a loss, then I'm literally done for today. If it's gonna be break even, then there's then I can look for another opportunity. Yeah. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Nice. I'm long there again. If you did you catch that as a troll soup? And that would be a really nice trade, I think. I don't mean that, but what's your stop like at the low? Let's see, fill on this will be a 1-1 break even, which will be here. And if this is gonna be a loss, then I'm literally closing the charts here, not doing anything after. And if it's gonna be win, I will also close the charts. If it's gonna be break even, then I'll be here still. So first TP will be at this high, which 1 and 2 here. Or no, actually, side of 1 or 3. This would be first TP at the original consolidation in the smart megabyte model. And then yeah, break even is gonna be at the 1 to 1, which is gonna be at this black line. Yeah, nice, man. Wow. Yeah, if this is actually runs to the buy side up there, then really unfortunate that we had to do all of this. And then what time is this? 10:28. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, let's see what we do now. Because this low is also already taken on ES multiple times. This was trading below that low. Got a reaction out of that, but that wasn't enough. And then one more manipulation, but I don't see like if there were actual answers from like someone that actually controls the market, or that you could ask the question like, why did you do that, and then they explain it. I'm really curious on why we did that, but also the market does what it wants. Like I don't see why we should be taking this low. Maybe because we have a trend line here again, and then but why on NQ? But yeah, some things are just, they can't be explained. But yeah. Yo Leo, what's up, man? How are you? Are you trading today, Leo? I think this is gonna be a pretty clean run, actually, looking at these first candles. Like I'm kind of expecting a run without any retracement, just of how we consolidate that much, and just how we got that reaction, and also what I'm hoping for. But also, if I was not in the straight, then I would say the same. So yeah, this black line is gonna be my break even. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands. Let's see this candle. Filled 20, yeah, exactly at this high. I'm filled. That's good. And if this is gonna be stopped now, then yeah, really unfortunate that we that we had the market conditions then, like weird market conditions, but also not weird because the market can do anything it wants. But it would be pretty weird, I would say. Haha, is the weed nice? It's not special, I would say. But I don't do it anymore. Tried it, but don't do it anymore. Hopefully I don't get banned now. Shit. That was YouTube, that was a joke. He was talking about nothing. Where are you from, Julian? Like right now, my mindset is all about growing. And literally, I don't even drink alcohol. I don't go to any parties. Don't do any drugs. Also, not really with friends that much because they don't want the same. They don't have the same goals. Doesn't mean they're bad friends, but I don't know. Don't hang out that much as I did earlier. A few years ago, I would say. You can call it instead of weird, unusual. Yeah, unusual. Yeah. From Switzerland, man. Same on me. Girl left me. No, bro. Sorry for laughing, bro. But why did you start with that? Growing. Nice, man. Oh shit, I'm getting called. 1 second, I don't know who this is. Oh shit. Shit, someone called me, I don't know who. Let me mute myself and let me call back. Bro, it's just some advertisement. Let me change my avatar and YouTube name. Yeah, man, you did the same on Discord, dude. Looks way better. Yeah, what's your goals? I never tell anyone. Yo, bro, you did that quick. What the hell? Still no break even here. Yeah, still all these bullish candles. That would be 101, right? Wait, what? Oh, here. You want to create narcotics empire? Narcotics empire. What is that? I have a feeling what it is, but drug lord empire. Partial break even. Bro, it's not even no, it's up my not even a 1-1. I'm in a 5-minute broke. Yeah, this did broke, yeah. Or did break. But we also have this one here. And I look at this as singular refugees. And then we have a singular, oh no, actually not. 50-minute, 30-minute. We don't have anything in here actually. So let's look at ES. And then in ES we have a singular 30-minute here, but still. Like looking at this as well, we also have a 5-minute here. Sinaloa cartel, something like this. What? I know you want that. Criminals never talk about dreams. Yeah, still nothing yet, but it does look pretty good still. Yeah, and then it would be a bit unusual if we generate these highs now, or like generate, I would say. Great equal highs. And not take this high and then go all the way there again. That would be unusual, yeah. And then same for yes, so. So still nothing. This is a crazy price action. But yeah, it does look really good still. On ES now traded below the 4-hour candle opening. See if I can, I want to mark out true day opening as well. Yeah, we did went below that a couple of times. Just there, and then 8:30 opening. It's all the way up there. I think these are going to be pretty big bullish candles. I don't know why, but my mind says it. Maybe because it has seen this a couple times. Not exactly this, of course, but why don't I have moderator in here? That's a good question, Leo. That's a good question. Let me do that for you. My mind. Yeah, yes, sir. As contraction follows expansion. That's true. Yeah, we also have it here. Yeah. Looks like a classic bull flag, right? Thank you, of course. Yeah, but this looks again pretty choppy. But yeah, pattern traders, bull flag would look pretty good here. Yeah. Yo, Halo Futures, how are you, man? Any moment, Croces can come. Then I have to go for like a minute. Yeah, still really slow here. All right, like again, a bit unusual, but market can do anything it wants. We'll see what happens. $4.45. 10:45. Do we have medium impact folder news or something? No, we don't. So yeah, a bit unusual. And then looking at this, we have a similar 4-minute busy here. And then on ES, yeah, of course, ES is lower than that. You also have this busy here, which we're below. So if that would be an inversion, equal lows here as well. But we'll just see what we do here. Just gonna look at the 4-minute now on NQ. I think this still will be at least a break-even trade. But yeah, anything can happen. See you in a trade. Hope it hits. Yeah, I hope it hits, man. Of course, yeah. I already took one loss on the day, which was also a long, which was, or was it long in here? Stop was below this candle, so got stopped out on these few candles, which is totally fine. But yeah, wasn't expecting it. But yeah, again, get a bullish reaction. Draw liquidity still there. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, pretty choppy price action so far. 7 people is crazy. That is crazy, yeah. Like honestly, like it really is crazy. Yeah, so yes, trading lower there. Was it 4 or 3 minutes? Yeah, 3 minute on ES. And then 4 minute on NQ for that singular busy. Let's look at ES here. Maybe you have an SMT at that low and then actually go, but again, like the same story there. Like ES doesn't move as quick as NQ does, so the time that ES has to take for it to come into this low, then NQ can move a lot more than ES can. And if NQ is following ES, and then yeah, NQ could go way lower, or way lower. It could go, yeah, it could come way lower. Yeah, not lower than these lows, I mean, but it could come quicker lower, you know. So let's see. We did close below this 4 minute busy. Also doesn't look good. I have this inversion now holding, which we did tap again. And then ES, of course, closed below this singular busy as well, which also looks bearish. So yeah, again, waiting now. Let's make a bet. If you lose a second trade today, you try out SMT, IVG. Bro, no. Sorry, Wares. I feel that market makers have made it quite difficult these choppiness days for people who trade ICT concepts. Yesterday was a really good trade, but a really good day. It could have been an amazing trade path to wrong bias. But the setup was also there for the other direction, which my bias wasn't in. But yeah, yesterday was actually a really, really good one. 2021 is more cleaner than 2024 in terms of price action setups. That's really true. Yeah. But also 2023 was better. Yeah, I don't know. 2024. Just for me, of course, can be better, but yeah, this again looks like a really choppy price action this year. Like ES trading into this low or this high from 930 opening to this low, and we've been here for, let's say, from this low. We're here for 1 hour in, and NQ has made a new range there, but still. Like all these equal highs up here, that's crazy. Because of elections, it gets usually more choppy, and that's also true. But also with election, you would also guess like the market is just going to be pumping with the narrative of, oh, the economy is really great. Look, we got a new president. Look at how our markets are going. That the algorithm should be supposed. It's supposed to, like, if you think about it that way, it should be really, really bullish. Like everything is going great. Just looking at that picture. But yeah, this is terrible. But this could also be because of bricks. We have, what is it? Today we have day 3 of bricks. And these last 3 days, so now of course Thursday, these last few days are pretty bad. And then could also be because of bricks. Did you see ICT's tweet? Which one? Did he tweet something? Yeah, it's probably gonna be a stop. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Leo. Oh shit. Last one. Do you think we'll see the? All right, let's see here. What aftermath do you expect in either case? Yeah. Yeah. Also, yeah. Let's see here. If this trade hits top, I'm gonna be done for the day. Not gonna blow the account on this price action. What do you think about ICT and Robbins? I think ICT is a great teacher, but doesn't mean if you're like also being a coach, like some really good coaches are really good at the strategy and explaining like how you should do things, but they themselves they haven't done it. They haven't done it, but they are really good in analyzing other people's plays, and yeah, those coaches are there as well. And I would say that is the case for ICT. Like ICT is a really good coach. He's really good with the strategy, but he can't do it on his own. I'm out of this ugly shit, bro. Yeah, it's really ugly. Coaches don't play. Yeah, but I mean, some coaches have some coaches have done it as well in their younger ages. If you look at football, but some coaches are there as well who haven't done it. Like they weren't the player themselves, but they just know how to analyze and teach and coach. But yeah, they just can't do it themselves, and they have never done it. That would be something for ICT. Like I would say he's really good with strategy, but trading himself, I think he struggles too much with psychology. He's also bipolar, not nothing against it, of course, but he's bipolar, and then I think that maybe paired with trading, maybe sometimes he has really good trades, sometimes he doesn't, but everyone knows that trading is a long-term game, and if you can't do it long-term, then you're not a trader. So I think that's the case for ICT, and that's also the case with Robin's Cup and just his trading in general. Really, really, really ugly price action. Really don't know what this is, but it's probably gonna be a stop, and I won't be trading this day. This was my break even, really close to it as well. But yeah. We did take all those lows now on yes, but I see no reaction here. This is really ugly price action. Alright, I'm out. Nice, man. Yeah, I'm still holding, like, it's either for me stop or that break even point gets hit. I've done many times as well. I've literally, I think, maybe done everything. Like closing the trade because I thought, oh, that wasn't valid anymore, but that wasn't really by my rules. Like, I thought that I could take off my stop, or not take off my stop, but take a stop earlier because that got disrespected, and I should be out of trade now because of my experience I've seen, or this PD array should hold, and I've done that and literally stop out like here, for example, and then it runs into my favor. Doesn't mean that it's gonna do it now, but I'm just now, just because of that, what I've experienced, it's just for me, either my stop gets hit, break even gets hit, TP gets hit, like one of those things, and I'm totally fine with it. Like, it wouldn't really matter with a few ticks taking off here or a stop. Yeah, this is terrible. Or I just don't know how to trade, of course, but I've seen better price action, I would say, or more cleaner runs. I'm really gonna go into my backtesting and really focus on when we have bricks, because I know I have seen this once again, or one time before, that we have bricks and also really choppy price action. Even though it's medium impact folder news, I don't remember if it was high impact folder news at the time, but I think it's because of bricks. Yeah, also elections, but yeah, bricks as well. How are you doing in this challenge? It's now because of yesterday, because of today, I'm now at break even. Yeah. Thank you, Leah. Yeah, of course. It's not joining it for me. It's joining because, like, honestly, the idea of growing it and people being in there who are like-minded, who trade, doesn't have to be the same strategy, but just like-minded as well. We could literally learn from everyone. Like, that's the idea behind a community, I would say, or the Discord at least. So yeah, this is also crazy. Let's see if the sub gets hit now, because I'm kinda tired of this. This is crazy. Let's look on the 1 minute. Yeah.
Order filled.
Alright, so that's the stop there. Just gonna close it there. It's not even full risk actually. I don't know why. It's like a few dollars off, but still. So off the account there. I'm gonna mark this in Notion. And then yeah, gonna be on here for a few minutes and then closing this as well. Let's see. Notion. Gonna make a new one for this. Live trading W's. Live trading peak evens. And also gonna put one in here as well. That's from last week. Yeah, really fortunate, but yeah, gonna really look in the data of their no trades for me today. Nice, whereas nice. Really gonna look in the data and see what we did on those brick days. Like actually who's in there? Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Yes, SMT IVG works. I'm not gonna take this one. I locked myself out already. I'm not gonna do anything. My setup forms again, like for me it's 2 trades a day, walk away, and that's it. Not putting any more risk on the table. It's the end for me. It's 11. What do you mean? Or 11 a.m. now. Yeah. Like I can take it paper traded on. It's not a. Yeah, I can take a paper trade. That's fine. But I'm gonna end it here in a few minutes anyway. I'm gonna do something else. And then backtesting in 1 hour. Maybe 2 hours. Just a bit time, dinner, and then backtesting. Are you unfunded or no? It's a challenge. It's a challenge, not even funded. Yeah, gonna end it here, boys. 5 people watching is so crazy. What the hell? Yeah, honestly, Leo, where is I think Guadalupe Lombardo. I think I speak your name right. and then a few other people as well. Honestly, really appreciate that you're watching. Could you change the admin role color to blue on the Discord? Yeah, of course. Oh, Miss Nobody, thank you for watching. Yeah, see you guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day or a nice evening or anything. Yeah, see you guys. See ya.